The trial between the Jamaica Football Federation and Beach Soccer Jamaica has been rescheduled for a third time in almost 2 years. The case that was scheduled for almost a year ago has been pushed back to June 23 to 25 of 2026 after being called up in court on Monday. The decision was taken after the court was informed of the unavailability of former JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung. Chung was unable to be present based on his new job at the Financial Investigation Division. The JFF was represented by their interim General Secretary Roy Simpson. Beach Soccer Jamaica first filed an injunction when the JFF decided to give Beach Football Jamaica Limited voting rights in December 2023. The injunction put the then January 2024 election on hold before it was contested in March of the same year. The case was called up on March 5, 2024, where the court injunction to halt the election was thrown out, but the case was adjourned to the April 23 of the same year. Following that hearing, the trial was rescheduled to January 20, 2025, but was postponed once more and scheduled for December 8 to 10, 2025.